Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to embed links in Discord text so your messages look clean and professional. I will explain how to write text and turn it into a clickable link in a simple and easy way. Step 1. Start with square brackets and type the text you want people to click on. For example, you can write something like "my website" inside the brackets. This text will be shown to others while the actual link will stay hidden behind it. Step 2. Immediately after the square brackets, add normal parentheses without any space. These parentheses are important because the real website link will be placed inside them. Make sure the brackets and parentheses are written together correctly so the format works. Step 3. Insert the full website URL inside the parentheses. Paste the complete link, including HTTPS to avoid errors, for example, https://example.com. Now your typed text and the real link are connected in one line. Step 4. Send the message after you finish typing the full format. When you press enter, Discord will display your clickable text, and people can click it to open the link. This makes your chat look cleaner because the long link is not directly visible. Step 5. Remember that this method works best in embeds, bots, and some markdown-supported areas in Discord. In normal chat, Discord usually shows the full link instead of hidden text, so using bots or webhooks helps create cleaner embedded links. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.